You're gonna see some serious shit. What did I tell you? 88 miles per hour!
Are you telling me that you built a time machine?
Out of a Corvette?
The way I see it, if you're gonna build a time machine into a car, why not do it with some style? Look out!
This is heavy duty, Doc. This is great. Does it run like on regular unleaded gasoline?
Unfortunately, no. It requires something with a little more kick. Plutonium.
Plutonium. Wait a minute. Are you telling me that this sucker is nuclear?
Hey, keep rolling there. No. This sucker's electrical. But I need a nuclear reaction to generate the 1.21 gigawatts of electricity I need.
Doc, you don't just walk into a store and buy plutonium. Did you rip that off?